BJP is staging protests in Kolkata today against the post-poll violence that West Bengal has seen over the last few days. The BJP is now accusing Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee of completely failing to act against those committing this kind of violence.
West Bengal is under flames. Entire West Bengal, the post-poll violence has erupted across the state. And the Chief Minister and the government of West Bengal is sitting and taking no action. It is the responsibility of the Chief Minister to take suitable steps. This government, it seems, is a government of Gunda Raj.
BJP demonstration against post-poll violence proceeding towards Mamata Banerjee's residence. The BJP says that Mamata Banerjee has not done anything to control the post-poll violence. They say the post-poll violence has been allegedly carried out by Trinamool workers, but here, of course, fisticuffs and shoving and pushing between police and BJP supporters here at Hazra More, which has seen many a protest. As you can see in these pictures, policemen right behind us trying to actually push the BJP supporters away who want to march towards Mamata Banerjee's residence in near Hazra. Of course, the police are stopping them, not allowing them to go. But the BJP says it's imperative they march towards Mamata Banerjee's house simply because they feel that the Chief Minister is responsible for this post-poll violence, or at least responsible for not doing anything against the post-poll violence or trying to stop it. The policemen stopping the BJP workers here, as you can see in these pictures. A lot of shoving and pushing here at Hazra More, which has seen many a political demonstration. This one being carried out by the BJP. Remember, Hazra More is no stranger to political demonstrations. In fact, even Mamata Banerjee carried out most of her protests from here. But this one being led by the BJP, marching from Hazra More towards Mamata Banerjee's residence. The police not allowing that and stopping the BJP workers right here at Hazra More. With camera person GD Shankar in Kolkata, this is Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.